Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing a vlog of my online school today, and so I'll do my online school and then I'll go ride once my dad gets home. So I just got out of the shower and I'm going to go get some food and pick you guys up after I get my food. Alright, so now I'm done eating breakfast and I'm going to start. I'm probably going to do like 2 classes or something like that. And yeah, just do a time lapse. Cut to that. So I just finished my 3rd class. I have 4 classes, but I kind of want to take a break, so I'm gonna play some like, I don't know, it makes for Jake to be all out or Fortnite or something. And yeah, I guess I'll do like a time lapse of that or something.
Yeah, I'm built for tough, ain't much and I can't say. I got scars on my skin like my Chevy has dents, getting covered in mud every damn weekend. I'm 10 foot tall and American made. I'm 10 foot tall and American made. Flagpole in the front yard flies the pride of the freedom of the place where I reside. And we clean up nice for church every Sunday. And we drop it half-mast and bow our heads for the good ones gone, cause we all bleed red. When it's said and done, I'll be in heaven fishing up in the shade. American made, professional grade. Yeah, I'm built for tough, ain't much and I can't say. I got scars on my skin like my Chevy has dents, getting covered in mud every damn weekend. I'm 10 foot tall. Hell with being pretty for the camera and phones. I came to get dirty and I got one goal. To leave out a legend by enemies. Ride the storm no matter how bad it seems. Give them hell to the flames, charcoal the game. Never even try to fix my down home twang. To be the lone wolf of the country scene, the new age man.
So my dad's about to get home, so I'm gonna get my bike warmed up, so hopefully when he gets here, you know, just be ready to go. And yeah, I'll film some of that when I get to riding.
Bye.